Welcome to Six Figs. I'm Kyle, and we are going to be breaking down the ICP charts in today's video. Folks, I've got an absolute banger for you, and also I'll tell you how to win 50 ICP somewhere in the video. So with that said, markets are absolutely green today. ICP is up 1.7%, still down 2.7, down 16 on the month, down 41% on the year, blah, blah, blah. Let's look at the charts. Now, the last time we left off, I've been telling everybody now about this falling wedge style pattern that is on the charts. And we can see this in the RSI, folks. Now, the falling wedge is a very bullish pattern to see when we see it on a larger time frame. So the fact that we've got maybe a couple month long falling wedge, I mean, it's good, but it's not like super great, but it's better than like a 1 week falling wedge. The bigger the falling wedge, the bigger the pattern, usually we'll get a bigger move. So with that said, we do have an opportunity here. When we're looking at ICP, especially on the daily, folks, we can see that we are experiencing what is called a doji star. Now, doji stars are great because it tells us when the markets are really starting to kind of turn around, maybe when they're starting to pivot, things like that. So you can see whenever you start to see like spinning tops, doji stars, things like that, we know that there could be a shift in momentum quite possibly. But this might even be a spinning top right now. It's looked like a doji star to me, but this is technically a spinning top right now. So I am thinking that now that we've got this spinning top on the books, we might see a little bit of a push to the upside. Now, I am hoping that we get this move at least up to this $5.06-ish level. That's logical. Now, I do think that there could be a chance we even come down and retest the upper trend line of this falling wedge as well. So, there could be a move up to $5.05, and a move maybe back down to $4.75, kind of where we're at right now, to retest this upper trend line. We won't know until we know, but I am hoping to see ICP at least run up to around this $6, $5.80 level. Now, when we look out at ICP, we can see that there is some very historical, I'm just going to get rid of this Fibonacci extension there, or retracement. We can see that there is some historical support levels that we're dealing with. One back in June of 2022, October 2022. We can see all these little support levels, and that's exactly where we're at right now. So when I say that I'm looking for price to maybe rip back up to the $5.80 level, maybe the $6.20 level, I'm thinking that we could be seeing ICP in some sort of descending triangle. So you can see how I've got my upper trend line here. So, when we try to measure out a falling wedge, usually the move up is as big as like the opening here. So, I could see this thing maybe ranging right up to that $6.25 level even, somewhere around the 6-ish level is what I'm thinking. I'm rambling now. But let's just look at this at a super high level right now. This falling wedge, we got some very nice Elliott wave theory to the upside. We had a rejection on the upper trend line this morning. We saw price kind of fall back down, and now we are rebuilding back upwards, hopefully. So it's going to get interesting here to see if we come back down for a nip at this $4.60 level. I'm hoping we break through this upper trend line, folks. That's about all I got for you today. Now, if you guys go ahead and join the trade tank on open chat, what you can do is join, and then you will automatically be entered to win 50 ICP. Once the group hits 500 members, I'm going to give away 50 ICP to one person. So just hop in there. We discuss charts, trading, setups, everything. I just threw out some alpha about a week ago on my options trade that I did in the stock market. Well, guess what? It printed today, and my whole trade netted 75% profit. So that's another reason, just join. Peace.